How you doing? My name is Trenius Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. 5 signs that you will finally be rich in the year 2019. The year 2019, this is a special year for you. The year 2019 is known as the year of abundance, the year of prosperity, the year that you will finally be rich, okay? Also, we're living in the age of the Aquarius, and the Aquarius is a water barrel pouring out water, okay? So this water being poured out could symbolize information. It could symbolize abundance. It could symbolize prosperity. It's all good in 2019 because this is your year, the year of abundance. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to tell you 5 signs on how to be able to confirm whether or not you will be rich in 2019 this year. Once again, folks, my name is Trenius Henderson. I'm a life coach / entrepreneur, and I've had the chance to associate myself with people from all around the world, rich people, wealthy people, millionaires, and I've had the chance to study these people and see what their behavior is like, see how they think, to be able to bring it back to you, to give you signs to confirm whether or not you will be rich also in 2019, okay? So the first sign that you will be rich in 2019 is that you've never had any big breaks. If you're the type of person that's always been waiting on a financial breakthrough, you've never been lucky, you've never came across a whole lot of cash, you've never had your bank account filled up with, at least $10,000, $15,000. If you've never experienced that before, but you've longed to have more money, you've longed to be more abundant than what you are right now, then this is a dead giveaway. This is a sign, folks, that this is your time. This year, folks, you will finally be rich, okay? Because once again, you've never had anything. So the polarity of life says that everything is always the complete opposite of the other. If it ain't cold, it's definitely hot. If it ain't dark, it's definitely sunny. If you've always been in lack and you've never had any, big financial breaks, then you are definitely gonna have financial breaks in this part of your life. Okay, so you're gonna have a totally new lifestyle. Okay, if you resonate with this first sign that you will finally be rich in the year 2019. The second sign that you will finally be rich in 2019 is that all of a sudden you start to think about money. If this has been the year or towards the end of last year, you started to think more about money. You've been building a relationship with money, and it's like every day you're thinking of ways to attract money. Every day you're trying to come up with new different ideas on how you can receive more money. Money has become very important to you all of a sudden. This is definitely a sign that you will finally be rich in 2019, because what's happening, folks, is that you've reprogrammed your mind to be able to accept money. Once upon a time, you probably weren't thinking like this all the time, but now you're beginning to accept the fact that you like money. You're beginning to accept the fact that you are worthy and valuable enough to have a whole lot of money. So if all of a sudden, you have been starting to think about money, then this is definitely one of the signs that you will finally be rich in the year 2019. All right, the third sign that you will finally be rich in 2019, folks, is you visualize yourself having money a lot. You might be in your current situation where things might not be going too good, might not be looking too pretty, but if you're always visualizing your dream life, if you're always visualizing the dream house that you want to stay in, you visualize yourself riding in nice, luxurious cars, you just visualize yourself doing all the beautiful, the wonderful things in life that you see in your mind's eye that you want to do, that if you was rich, this is what you would do, folks. This is definitely a sign that you will finally be rich in the year 2019. As you know, visualizing is the fastest way to attract anything that you want to attract into your life. If you're able to see where you want to go and what you want to do clearly in your imagination before it comes, it will manifest super fast. So 2019 is that breakthrough year for you. You will finally be rich this year if you have a clear vision in your mind of what you're going to be doing. If you could just see yourself living in abundance, having all the wealth that you desire and the success that you want to have, folks, this is your year 2019 and you will finally be rich. The fourth sign that you will finally be rich is you just feel like you're gonna receive a lump sum of cash somewhere. Maybe you've been going to play scratch offs. Maybe you've been trying to hit the lottery, the Mega Millions. You just feel like somewhere, somebody, somehow, you're going to receive like a large lump sum of cash. You don't know how. It's just like a feeling that you get every day when you wake up. You just know that the money that you seek is like right around the corner. It's like riches is right around the corner. It's like you know you will be rich. You don't have a shadow of a doubt in your mind that you will not become rich. Folks, this is a sign that you will finally be rich in the year 2019 if you feel like someone owes you a whole lot of money. And this feeling of someone owing you a whole lot of money is just basically you being ready to receive all the riches that the universe is about to give to you this year. Okay, so this is definitely a sign that you will finally be rich in the year 2019 because you feel the money already before you possess it. Your internal bank account is already sky high. You're already rich internally. So the only thing that's going to happen is it's going to manifest externally. Your reality is going to shift and you're going to inherit millions upon millions of dollars and you'll become rich in the year 2019. All right. The fifth sign, folks, that you will finally be rich in the year 2019 is through other people. The universe will begin to talk to you through other people and tell you how rich and how abundant you're about to become. Maybe you have a business and people are noticing that your business is flourishing and they're telling you signs, by the universe, telling them to tell you that you better prepare because this year you will be rich. Okay, so people begin to tell you, you don't even have to like praise yourself, when you're finally becoming rich, because other people around you will show you and tell you signs that you will finally be rich in 2019, like this year. People tell you like, oh my God, you're a better person than you was last year. There's something about you. There's something special. I know it's going to happen in your life. You deserve something big. Something great is going to happen for you this year. If people are telling you that you will be rich, that you have the potential to become rich in whatever you're doing in your career, in your business, whatever the situation may be. If people are telling you this, folks, how can they know such things? Because the universe is talking through them and telling you a sign through them that you will finally be rich in the year 2019. So, folks, if any of these signs resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up to confirm that you know for a fact now that you will finally be rich this year in the year 2019. Also, speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below and confirm it by using the affirmations such as I am wealthy or I am rich. Go ahead and confirm that once more down in the comment section below. Folks, if you want to watch another entertaining video that will confirm to you on that you will become rich in the year 2019, folks, just watch this video right here. These are more signs that I have accumulated by studying millionaires and wealthy people on how to become rich and signs that you will become rich in the year 2019. So make sure you check that video out. But first, make sure you subscribe up here by clicking my face icon. Okay, make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be updated with new videos every 24 hours. All right, I'll see you in the next video, folks. Peace.